Here is the new tire for my Yezdi Roadster, the Apollo Tramplr XR 130/80 17 inch. I picked this one because it's solid mix of on-road grip and light off-road. This is the original MRF zapper my Roadster came with. After close to 20,000 kilometers, the grip has dropped a lot. You can see the mechanic removing it here, and now it's a time for Apollo Tramplr XR upgrade. Now the guy is removing the old tire from the rim using automatic tire machine. This machine makes the process much safer and prevents any damage to the alloy. The old MRF tire has become hard and lost its grip after almost 20,000 kilometers, so removing it takes a bit of effort. You can see how the tire bead is being pushed down and separated from the rim. Once that's done, the mechanic carefully lifts the tire out using the machine's arm. Slowly, the new tire is pressed onto the rim using the machine's rotating head. This part needs precision because the bead has to sit perfectly, otherwise the tire won't rotate evenly. With the machine doing most of the work, the tire fits in neatly and locks into place. This new tire has strong sidewall and more aggressive thread pattern, so it gives better stability on highway and also holds well on the rough patches. Now the mechanic is fitting the rear wheel back onto the bike after mounting the new tire. First, he carefully positions the wheel between the swing arm and lines it up with the brake assembly and the chain. This part needs patience because the axle, spacer, brake calipers all have to sit correctly in their place. Now he is inserting the rear axle through the swing arm and the wheel hub. The axle keeps everything locked in place, so it has to slide in perfectly straight. After pushing it through, he attaches the nut on the other side and starts tightening it gently. This is the video on new Apollo Tramplr XR fitted to my Yezdi Roadster. The old tire, which was MRF zapper, which had come from the company as a company fitment, which was lasted around 20,000 kilometers. And this new tire costed me around 4,100 rupees and another 350 rupees extra for the fitting. So this is the video about the new Apollo Tramplr XR. If you have any doubts, please mention them in the comments. If you found this video interesting, please try subscribing to my channel and hit the like button.